Hi, I'm Carly from Hoselink, and today I'm going to show you how to install a Hoselink retractable garden hose reel onto siding. It is important to mount the hose reel bracket onto a flat surface to ensure it does not break and bend under the weight of the reel. To mount onto an uneven surface such as this siding, you will need to make a backing board for the bracket first. To do this, you will need a 3/4 inch piece of marine plywood or similar treated wood. Set your bracket onto the wood and draw around it. Cut the wood to size, then paint all sides to weatherproof it. Now you're ready to start installing your hose reel. Choose the wall or surface you want to mount the reel onto. Then, using a stud finder, find the framing stud. You will need to drill through the stud when attaching the backing board. Measure how high you would like the hose reel to sit and mark with a pencil. We recommend mounting it 34 inches, measuring from the ground to the bottom of the wall bracket. Mark out 2 holes in the middle of the mounting board, approximately 1 inch from the top and bottom. Hold the mounting board in position where you marked on the wall, ensuring it is level. Then use a 3/16 inch drill bit to drill 2 pilot holes through the backing board and into the siding and stud. Secure the board in place with 2 12-gauge 4-inch stainless steel screws. Fasten the screws with a 1/4 inch hex bit. Ensure the board isn't screwed in too tight to avoid damaging the siding. Now you have a flat surface to work with. Use the wall bracket to mark out the 4 drill holes on the backing board. Use a piece of colored tape to mark out 2 1/4 inches on your 3/16 inch wood drill bit. This will help you drill the bracket hole to the right depth. Drill all 4 holes up to the tape marker. Add a washer to each of your screws. Set the bracket in place, then secure the screws into each of the holes using a Phillips head screwdriver. Use a socket wrench to tighten. You also need an extension bar to reach the 2 bottom screws. Once you have finished installing the bracket, you can lift the reel and slot it into the bracket hole. Screw the faucet connector onto the faucet. To connect the leader hose to the faucet, line up the lugs on the pre-attached hose end connector with the faucet connector and twist together. You will feel them click into place. Screw the accessory connector with swivel into the end of the spray nozzle. Simply line up the lugs between the accessory connector with swivel and the hose connector with flow control and twist to connect. Make sure the flow control lever is switched to the open position. Now you're all set and ready to go.